Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Navien Tankless water heater leaking from bottom, common causes and repair. Fix 1 is find where the water is coming from. Turn off the power to the water heater, then turn off the cold water supply. Wipe the bottom of the heated dryer, then wait a few minutes and look for where the water is leaking. Then check if the leak is from a pipe, drain valve, condensate hose or inside the unit. Second one is tighten loose water connection. Check the hot and cold water pipes, then look for any loose or dripping connection. Tighten the fitting with a wrench. Then turn the water back on and check if the leak is gone. Third one is check the condensate drain. Find the condensate drain hose under the heater, then make sure the hose is not blocked, bent or loose. Then clean the hose if needed. Reconnect the hose and check for leaks. Fourth one is inspect the pressure relief valve. Look for water dripping from the pressure relief valve or its discharge pipe. Then check if the valve is shut open. Then replace the valve if it continues to leak after testing. Fifth one is check the drain valve. Find the drain valve near the bottom of the unit, then make sure it is fully closed. Then tighten the drain cap if it is loose. Then replace the valve if it is cracked or leaking. Thanks for watching.